Dancing, Dorothy. Hey, I've got one. Dorothy, how about some Scottish dancing?
Oh, Scottish. All right.
Yay!
Hey, Dorothy, I've got a special dance for you to do. We like to call it the lion dance. No, Murray, not the lion dance, but the lion dance.
Billy Murray.
Hey, she's doing it. Well done, Dorothy. Oh, Dorothy, how about this one? How about some Irish dancing?
Oh, my favorite.
Dorothy, you sure are a great dancer.